Hi everyone, in this video we'll be doing this new Leetcode problem, and the problem is about stock market. It's to find the best time to buy and sell the stocks. So in this problem we are given prices, which is a array or list, and price indexed at I is the price of a given stock on ith day, and we want to maximize the profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. So for example, if this is the prices, you want to select a day. Let's say one is looks the most smallest price in this list, and maybe we want to buy the stocks in at that price and maybe sell at a higher price in the future, not in the past, which means that I cannot do something like buying my stock at $1 and then selling at $7. It's going reversed. I cannot do that. I have to look at the future, and you can see that the output is 5. That's the maximum profit that you can make. So that's the thing, and we are going to solve this problem in two different ways. The first way is the most simplest way, which looks something like, let me paste the solution. This is the solution. In this, you can see there are two loops, and the time complexity of this solution is O(n) squared. So what I've done here is that simply I have first checked the length of the prices. Then I have initialized the maximum profit to 0. We want to maximize this value, and I have two loops. The first loop iterates from 0 index all the way to n-1 index using this loop, and the second loop continues from whatever index I is at, looking forward all the way to n. First outer loop actually sets the stage for which the day I want to buy that stock, and the inner loop is there for selecting the future day in which I want to sell my stocks. And the idea is that I want to maximize this profit. So simply I'm differencing the price at jth day from ith day, and I want to maximize this profit. And if this profit is greater than the maximum profit we already had, which is 0, then we want to assign this profit to the maximum profit, and then at the end of the day I want to return back the maximum profit. The solution is very simple. It should clear up all the test cases. Yep, it does. And when I submit this solution, the thing is that as you can see, the length of price can go really high, 10 to the 5. That's a lot, and our time complexity is n squared. So yep, that's expected. Time exceeded for this solution. So I need to make this solution a lot efficient. And for that, I have written another solution, the second solution, which has a complexity of O(n). So let me paste this solution here. So the solution looks something like this. Here I have first of all figure out the length of the prices, and then if the length of price is less than 2, which means if there's no prices, it is empty array, or if it has only one price, then I cannot buy and sell in the same day. So in that case, the maximum profit is 0. In fact, that's what the description says. If you cannot find the maximum profit, return 0. So that's what I'm doing here. And then after that, I am initializing two variables, minimum price and maximum profit. I want to keep in track the minimum price. So for that, I have first initialized it to infinity, and I have maximum profit, which is set to 0. Now I'm looping through these different prices, and I'm first of all checking if this price is less than minimum price. Initially, obviously, whatever the price be, that should be less than the infinity. So in that case, the price is transferred to the minimum price. So yeah, so this is the condition that checks if it is the minimum price. Okay, this solution seems incomplete. Maybe I did not copy the solution properly. So once I find the minimum price, I want to do something, and that something is I'm gonna check if the profit is simply the current price minus whatever the minimum price is, right? So if that is less than the maximum profit, I do want to again assign the maximum profit with p, or oh sorry, that's the difference between the price and minimum price, right? And yeah, I think that's all. Let me return back the maximum profit here. There we go. I think this is the solution. One thing to note here is that there's only one loop, so the time complexity is on, and here I am. I think this should work. Let me run the test cases. Oh yeah, it does not work. Right. Let me see what could have been the problem there. If the profit. Oh, sorry, that's the thing. Now it should run. Yeah, it does. And let me submit that. Oh yeah, it does. And you can see that it ran in just 17 milliseconds, beating almost 98% of the submissions. That's great. And that's the solution for you. Thank you.